Ever wondered how you actually buy cryptocurrency? You open an exchange like Kraken, pick your crypto of choice, and then what? Maybe you've seen warnings about banks blocking crypto transactions, or wondered where that hard-earned cash goes to buy those precious coins. Well, buckle up crypto newbies, because today we're diving into the world of bank partners and Kraken's funding network. Kraken isn't some shady back-alley exchange. They're a major player, and like any reputable company, they gotta play by the rules. That means partnering with banks and financial institutions to handle your money movement. But these aren't just any banks. Kraken works with institutions that understand the crypto world and are comfortable facilitating these transactions. Now, Kraken itself doesn't actually hold your bank account. Instead, they partner with a bunch of different funding providers depending on your location and currency. Think of it like a team effort. Kraken handles the crypto side, while these funding providers act like your on-ramp, getting your fiat currency, that's fancy talk for regular money, into the crypto world. So, who are these mysterious funding providers? Well, it depends on where you live and what currency you want to use. For our viewers in the US, a new player just joined the game, MVB Bank. This partnership allows Kraken users to deposit and withdraw USD directly. That's a big deal, because it means smoother transactions and potentially faster processing times. But MVB Bank isn't the only name on the Kraken roster. Across the pond, European users might be familiar with Banking Circle. They provide Euro and GBP transfers, making it easier to top up your Kraken account with Euros or British Pounds. There's also Fighter Bank in Germany and Clear Junction for even faster Euro deposits. Now, what if you're in Canada? No worries, eh? Kraken has partnerships with Interac e-Transfer and credit unions for CAD deposits and withdrawals. And for our viewers down under, OSCO takes care of AUD deposits. The point is, Kraken has a whole team of financial partners working behind the scenes to make your crypto buying experience as smooth as possible. This network of banks and institutions ensures your transactions are secure and compliant with regulations. Word of caution. Before we wrap things up, there's a small caveat. While Kraken works with a variety of banks, some traditional banks might still block transactions to crypto exchanges. It's always best to check with your bank beforehand to avoid any hiccups. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.